Welcome to techivi.com channel, your solution providers. I am Ben and in this video I'll be showing you the user interface and overview of the VideoScribe. First of all, you have to go to the videoscribe.co and create a new account and then download the software. Then you can enter your credentials here and press login. When you log in, you will see blank tabs here. These tabs basically show your previous projects. So to create a new project, click this add tab. This is called the canvas. All the animations will be done here. Up here you can see these icons. Let's start with this one. This icon means that you can introduce any image in your canvas. Click it. Here you can see the recent icons that I have used. You can import images or you can import images from the web. By default, VideoScribe has so many images. Just click the library. Now you can see all these tabs. These are the folders which contain several images which VideoScribe provides by default. If you scroll down, you will see many other folders, but all these images are available online. To access these, you must have an internet connection. So let's open any folder. Arrows. In arrows, you can see a lot many arrows. You can import any arrow you like, or you can search for any keyword. For example, money. Enter it and you will see all the available images related to that keyword. To go back to the library, click here. Let's introduce any image. When you click the image, it will be placed automatically on the canvas. The edges you see here are used to scale up and down, and these arrows you can extend the image. At the center, you can use it to rotate the image. Below here is the timeline. All the images introduced in your canvas will be placed in your timeline. Here you can see it is telling the starting instant of our image, and here it tells the time at which this image will end. It tells the time in seconds. Here you see this tab. These are the properties of the image. The use of these properties will be shown in a later video. But to reduce the animate time, you can simply reduce the animate time here. Next to our image tab, we have a text tab. Here you can write anything. To change the font, click this F. Only the basic font is available by default, but if you want to use any other font, just click it and VideoScribe will import this font. Now it says that the basic characters are imported. If we wish to import the full extended character set, we can click this tick, or if we want just the basic characters, just click cross. Now the font is imported. Click OK and you will see here. Let's bring it here and bring the text here. Now you can see that VideoScribe creates the layers of each element. The order in which they are placed in timeline shows the sequence in which they will be drawn. Let's reduce the time a bit more and let's see how it looks like. Click the play button and you'll see that the hand is being drawn. Then it goes to the other text and it zooms out. Now next to our text tab, we have a music icon. If you open the music tab, you will see various musics or sound effects which VideoScribe provide by default. You can import any one of your own choice by clicking this folder here, or you can import from the web. Simply select any music you like, and if you check this loop and click here. After that, you see a mic icon. This mic is for the recording. If you want to import any recording, you can import it from here, or if you want to record your own voice, click here. Icon, the recording will start. In the background, it is playing the animation and it is recording my voice along with it too. This is used for recording the voices. Now once completed, you can click this and now it is processing the voiceover. Now you can see that the mic icon is highlighted, which means that we have an audio recording in our composition. This note shows the background. You can choose any background you like. You can choose any color, any colored background. See this hand? This hand shows the default hand which VideoScribe will be using to draw the images or the text. You can use either zip or any other image you like. You can even add your own by importing the PNG image. If you click this eye, it will hide the layer. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the subscribe button or visit techivi.com to ask any questions if you have any queries.